Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to sell on Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my site editor, and as you can see I have a shop page, and inside of this shop page I have uploaded some products and which are ready to sell. And now let's see how to add products on Wix website to sell. So click on manage products. And right now I have total 12 products on my Wix website, and now we are going to add a new product. So I'm clicking on new product, and you can select digital file, and digital files can sell ebook, printable or digital album, and another is physical. And example, you can sell your t-shirt, shoes or skateboard. So I'm going to select in this digital file, and now give here your product title. And what type of digital file do you want to sell? You have to upload your product photo here, so click on upload file, and you can upload image, you can upload audio file, document, zip file. So I'm going to selecting image, and start adding your files. Click on upload media, and I'm going to uploading from my computer. And for example, going to uploading this image, and I'm clicking on add to product, and here you can see the product image has been added. And now you have to enter your product information here. So give here the product name, sample product. I'm giving a sample product, and give the ribbon. You can give here new arrival or best seller, or you can add limited stock. So I'm going to selecting here new arrival. And now you have to enter your description here, and you can easily select any word from the description and make it bold, italic and underline, and you can enter a link here. And after that, so this was the key photo of the product, and scroll down, and here you'll find this another option, add images. So you have to add images about the product, or you can upload videos. So click on add image, and you will be able to add image. And additional information section, click on add an info section, and here you can add additional information. You can add a title here, you can add description here. And now here you can see the option to add price. So I'm going to selecting here 500, and you can turn on the on sale option to give a discount price here. Have to give the discount, and the sale price is 450. And you can select inventory and shipping. You can select the product status, in stock or out of stock. You have to enter your SKU here, and you can enter shipping weight here, and then click on save. So here you can see I've successfully added a new product to my store. So after adding your product to your Wix website, you have to add an payment option. So you have to open your site dashboard and scroll down to the left hand side and click on settings, and click on accept payments. And now you can add any payments. You can add credit and debit cards, and you can add PayPal manual payments, and you can connect your pay, save cash after pay. And here you will get some payment option you can easily add to get paid from your sale on Wix. So this is how we can sell on Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.